Basically, I'm a Muslim. As we believe, same as Jews, all the prophets of the Bible, all the prophets of the Bible, and Muslims, and all the prophets in Islam, according also all the prophets in the Bible, Old Testament, we all believe God is one, not three in one. Jacob, Isaac, Abraham, Moses, David, Jesus, including the God he believes, which is Jesus. All of them, they practiced God is one, not three in one. That's what I believe. Jesus, we believe, is the messenger of God, the chosen one. He was protected from the devil, him and his mother. We really honor Jesus in Islam. We cannot insult Jesus, but we do not believe Jesus is God. We believe as a messenger of God, prophet of God, and top the most greatest prophets in Islam.